It's Torrey Hornsby with Tesla Tips and Tricks, and I hate to say it, but I'm really at the point where I think I'm gonna be selling my Model X here. I'm so tired of all of the maintenance that you have to do to this thing. It's overwhelming. Follow along as I take care of it this 4-month period. I don't know. Maybe you're the type of person that just enjoys spending 60 to 90 seconds on your car every 4 to 6 months. It's just a bit much though. I don't know about me, I guess we'll see.